Hey sunshines, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Oh, I missed this. For today's video, let's get ready with me. I'm going somewhere. Medyo not so very glam, pero I'll put on my makeup. I will introduce you with some of my new bili na makeups. So, tignan natin. These are halo, both in international brands and local brands. So, tignan natin how it will look on my face. I'm excited kasi even brushes, I bought a lot lately. I mean, ganun kasi ako pag gusto ko yung isang bag, or pag na-feel ko kunwari eye makeup, I'll buy the best eye makeup. Or kunwari nakita ko brushes, titingin ako lahat ng mga bagong release na brushes. So, let's see. I made some shorts already with these products and makikita nyo sa shorts ko. Although those are the items lang. But this time, I'll use it and tingnan natin. Okay, so I'll be using the Lumig Lotion as my base. Actually, my skin is over 40, pero I don't really use primer kasi there are a lot of primers that I already tested and na-try, pero feeling ko walang nagagawa sa skin ko. I don't know. Or even sa longevity, wala. Ang pinaka-best for me is just either moisturizer or something like this na very good sa skin. Parang nagmo-moisturize din siya. So, ito yung mga go-to ko na lalo na kapag mabilisan lang. So, let's put this on. For foundation, let's use the L'Oreal Infallible. Ito naman, nag-sale siya sa SM. And, oh, sorry, nabili ko to online kasi naka-sale and may mga vouchers. So, ito ang kanyang texture. Medyo runny siya. I'll use my RT 260. Ito, this is so nice kasi ang taba-taba niya, pero sobrang nice siya pag nilagay ng foundation. Ang laki ng surface area na natatapos niya agad-agad. So, gusto ko itong ginagamit. But, it's not travel friendly kasi super bulky. Malaki masyado. So, don't forget to put your foundation ng pataas rather than pababa. I know, maraming pababa ang patry. Pag yung nagtatry sila, nagtetest sila, pasyadong pababa. Pero, if your skin, or if your age is more than 40, I mean, you'll be very aware sa mga ganong application na kasi you don't want your skin to be dragged down. Let's use my L'Oreal Infallible also. Ito naman nag-sale sa SM. So, this is to prepare my eyelids. Actually, I always prepare my eyelids kasi sobrang oily niya. So, I'm gonna use my Sephora 47 brush. Ito hindi naman bago. Pero, super magagamitin sa akin. If you can check out yung mga brushes na merong mga knock-off and yung mga totoong ganitong brush. Actually, even I have that video already prior to this. Actually, yung mga knock-off, guys, hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko pa rin kasi it's working. So, kaysa itapon, gamitin muna naman natin yung gamitin bago masira. And then, let's use for today's video, I'll be using my Makeup Forever, the loose powder. Ito, it works really well sa akin. So, let's use a fluffy brush and then just pat this para mag-set yung ating concealer. I'll use a puff also to set this. And while that is being set, let's use my Detail Super Fine Liner. So, tulad ng sabi ko with my old videos, I don't need much sa aking kilay kasi kami po ay binayaan ng may kilay. So, konting ayos lang. And if nagmamadali ako, usually I will just get a tinted brow gel para lang mag-fill in. Yan lang naman yung taas. Ang usually kong finifill. I'm loving the Vice brow gel. This is not new, pero kasi may tint siya. So, kapag nilagay ko siya, katulad niyan, my eyebrows right now is not malinis. Hindi pa ako nakapagpa-thread, pero kapag nalagyan ng ganyan, it works. And then, let's use my new, the Euphoria eye palette. This is a 9 color eyeshadow palette from Strokes. So, ganito siya. Sana na lang hindi na sila gumamit ng plastic and medyo mas fit siya sa box para hindi pa sayang. Yun lang yung nakita kong parang instant na parang naisip ko na parang ay, sayang naman yun sa packaging. But anyway, nandito na. So, let's use my MAC 2175. I'll use the lighter brown na lang. Guys, dati sobrang ma-effort ako with the eyes. But, if nagmamadali, either 1 and done ako or 2 and done eyeshadow look only. Tapos dinidipan ko lang siya sa sides. And then I'll use yung parang glitter niya. Ayan. Oh. Ang ganda ng pigment. Actually, na-try ko na to once. The color payoff is so nice. Yun lang, parang hindi siya tumagal ng sobrang tagal, the color. Pero let's try this on pa rin. Let's see. Baka lang we'll get a good results for today. Sa maghapon. Pero look at the color. I am cleaning it now. Ayan. Let's do my eyeliner. Guys, hindi ako masyado mag-e-effort sa eye makeup ngayon kasi we're running out of time. Pero I'm loving the Euphoria. From Strokes. Guys, hindi ko kaya sa camera. Balikan ko kayo. I'm back. So, tinapos ko na yung aking eyeliner. And let's use the concealer again. Konti lang under my eyes. I'll let that sit for a while. I also tightline my eyes using the Creamy Kohl. Yan, from Huda Beauty. Ito lang ang ginagamit ko for tightlining and the Makeup Forever na gel eyeliner, eye pencil. Because sila lang ang tested ko na hindi siya nagsasmudge kahit na nagwa-watery ang eyes or kahit na naka-contact lens ako. I'll use the Strokes 06 brush. Ito parang concealer brush. I am so happy that I had the chance to get the Anisa brush already. Hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. As in, inaano ko siya. Sinisave ko siya. Kasi, pinabili ko siya sa isang friend na dumating here sa Philippines. I got this already. And pinabili ko doon para nadala niya dito pag uwi niya with her family. Nagbakasyon sila for a while. So, thank you. Shoutout to Ate Makis. Marami pong salamat sa pagbili. Okay. So, that's our concealer. Now, let's set my under eyes with lip powder. Actually, best sa under eyes ko to be set ng powder puff. Yung iba kasi they want it, the powder, the brushes muna. The medyo fluffy brush and then they use the powder puff. But for me, I'm good with the powder puff. For blush on, I have the new Huda Beauty. This is the Strawberry Cream Blush Filter. Gamitin natin to. Let's use it on top. And then I'm using the 03 brush. This is like the Sephora 47 actually. Nagawa si Strokes. And I'm loving it. Either foundation or your creams, you can use this one. There are times, if tataka kayo, there are times that I don't really use a cream bronzer. Hinahabol ko lang siya at the end para lang magkaroon ako ng shape. So, usually ginagamit ko is powder type na. But we will put that later. Look. Actually, may shimmer siya pag tinesting sa kamay. Itong Huda Beauty na blush filter. Pero pag sa face naman, pag nilagay na, parang nawawala na yung pagka-shimmer niya. Pero meron siyang instant glow. Look. O gamitin na din pala natin yung aking Happy Skin Sun Kissed. This is a powder type of, this is a cream type na actually it was marketed as parang blush, tapos may nakalagay na blush bronzer. Ito ngayon melting cream bronzer naman nakasulat. So actually I got interested lang kasi, well, it's a local brand and I believe, correct me if I'm wrong pero I believe sa Korea formulated tong mga products nila. I don't really buy Happy Skin. Parang nung nauso lang yung mga parang crayon type nila na lipstick, mga lip pen, doon lang ako bumili before. Yung mga una't huli ko mga bili. Kasi I find it expensive for our market para bilhin. Pero since nagiging interesting yung kanilang line, the first one that I bought recently is yung parang jelly nila na it's something I don't use often and I was so upset kasi natuyo pa siya. So it's not something that I will buy again. Pero kung kayo mahilig lang sa tint, yung mga ganun, yung mga one and done lang ng tint and araw-araw yung gagamitin, I think it's okay. Pero for me kasi since ang daming in rotation sa makeup ko, hindi ko siya nagamit. Parang nagamit ko lang siya twice and then nung binalikan ko siya, medyo na siya, natuyo na siya and I was upset kasi medyo mahal din siya, parang 600 pesos. So, let's set my face with a bronzer. I'll be using a dense brush lang, this one. This is the Sephora 87. Parang fan brush lang siya. Just to put a little. And then, I will set my... Actually, I have the Daring Rosewood. This is the blush from Infallible. Medyo dark siya. So, what I do is, dense Ay, sorry, talagang fluffy brush lang. Just to set. Para hindi din ma-overpower yung nauna kong blush na nilagay. So, banda dito lang and a little here. And then, let's do my mascara. I'm using this is Ultra. This is from Misha. So, one of the stuff na nabili ko sa Korea. Actually, I have utang pa dun sa mga Korean stuff na nabili ko. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nabivideohan. Ang tagal kong nagpahinga. Like today is March na. Tagal kong hindi nagvideo. I'm placing shorts, guys. So, kahit pa paano, para lang nakikita nyo pa rin ako. I'm doing some shorts once in a while. Kaya, please, subscribe to the channel. Kahit pa paano, para maka-reach naman tayo ng 1,000 subscribers. Para we can have more makeups. I can also buy more makeups for you guys. Para ako na lang ang guinea pig ninyo. Let's use my Makeup Forever. This is the Artist Color Pencil. This is the Universal Earth. So, ito yung ginagamit kong pang line lately ng lips. And feel ko mag-gloss. So, let's use the Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Glow. Actually, ang tagal na nawawala nitong gloss kong to. Nakita ko lang sa isang bag ng weekend. Kasi may ginamit akong matagal na bag ko. Weekend, so nandoon. Nangyayari din po sa inyo yan, guys. So, minsan mga nasa bag lang. Ayun, I think that's it. So, this is the look. Let's set it with a setting spray. Guys, so nabili ko to sa Singapore noong New Year. Wala pa kasi dito noon. Then nilabas ng January. Parang late January dito sa Pilipinas. Mas mura pa sa Pilipinas, guys. So, please buy this here in the Philippines. Huwag sa Singapore kasi times 2 siya sa Singapore. And nasaktan ako ng slide. This is the 3-second setting mist. Actually, sobrang plakado sa mukha. Kaya, konti lang, guys. Konti lang. So, you might wanna use this sa T-zone nyo lang or kung saan oily. So, sobrang lakas ng amoy niya. Yung pagka-aerosol niya compared sa one size. And then, after that, we follow it with a hydrating mist. So, I'm using the Alba. Ang ilang bote ko na to, guys. So, hindi pa siya medyo nauuso. I have it na. Kasi ang ganda niyang pang moisturize ng skin. Lalo na yung morning lang. Kung narin gigising nyo, lagay lang kayo. So, I'll have this dried down and then balikan ko kayo. So, here's the final look, guys. Naghabol lang ko ng konting powder just to make it a little bit more matte. Para din tumagal yung longevity ng ating makeup. But, I hope you like this video. It's a quick one. This is how I do my makeup lang kapag medyo may kailangang trabahuin sa labas. Konting meeting and all. But I hope you had fun with this one, with this look. I'm loving the lips, actually. Namiss ko yung Fenty Beauty kasi it's one of my go-to talaga. And hindi siya sticky and hindi siya drying sa lips. My lips are super, super dry. Kung gaano ka-oily ang eyelids ko, ganun ka-dry yung aking lips. But thank you guys for watching and I hope you subscribe to the channel and like this video and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!